Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Hello guys, welcome to this channel, MAKELELE House of Entertainment. My name is Kate Solly, just in case you are not familiar with me. Welcome to this channel. If it is your very first time, feel appreciated, feel at home. In this house, we love new people. We love those people who have been supporting us. And so guys, today I got a new recipe. Not really new, but new to this channel, okay? It is not new to everyone, okay? And so today we are making wimbi porridge. And how do you make your wimbi porridge? This is how Kate does it, okay? We are going to do it the best way I know. My grandma told me how to be doing it, and up to date, guys, I've never been disappointed by cooking porridge. You know, ushaipika uji, unapika unapata iko na makendi, what am I saying? Makindi, the small balls that when you make porridge in a form and then it becomes like it's kind of yucky. You don't feel like you want to drink it. I don't know, but today I'm gonna show you the best way that I know you're gonna make it without makindi. Yeah, okay, makindi. What am I saying? Oh my god, let us make this fun and try to make a good video. Okay, so what I've done is I've put my cooking pot on fire. Okay, so I'm waiting for the water to boil. So as we wait for the water to boil, I got the ingredients here that we'll be using today, and I'm gonna tell you what I have here. So for me, when I'm making porridge, I usually like lemon and milk. So this is what I have. This is my wimbi flour. Okay, I feel disappointed because this is the last one I have, and here in Australia I don't know if I'll get another one. I don't know. Who is going back to Kenya? I want to send somebody back to Africa. I need this one. Okay, so I have this flour for wimbi, and I have this full cream milk, and I got my sugar here, I got my lemon here. It's just a bowl, okay, to mix the flour with water. And you know, water is a must, you should use. So as we wait for our water to boil, what are we going to do? Let me show you how it's going over there in the kitchen, so we may start mixing our flour. Okay, let's make this fun, and I'm so sure you're going to enjoy this recipe. Okay, let's do it. So guys, there is my cooking pot. Inside just water. Let me show you, almost going to boil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the flour so we may start making the porridge. Okay, let's do this. Gonna be so quick. Okay, so guys, the first thing that I'll do is mix my flour with water. And everybody knows this. Okay, so just put your water inside the bowl and mix your flour. Okay, just don't make it light, don't make it heavy, just hapo katikati. Okay, let's do this and see how it is.
Never stop, never shut from the top.
your flour. Always make sure that you put a spoon and place it inside. Kabisa. Then mix everything. Okay? Usipige huku juu. Weka kijiko yako huko chini. Okay? Na sasa start stirring everything. Somebody's like, why are you making this cake? Everybody knows. I tell you, even some people doesn't know how to cook this porridge. Let me tell you. They'll make something that even when you give it to drink it, just see what I'm making. Maybe change. Rectify where you've been having some problems, okay? Even me, I was just taught. And not unless you have interest in cooking, some things you'll never know, okay? Kwanza kama watoto tunazaa siku hizi ni hata sijui. Only God knows. Okay, so this is how. You see, hata hakuna hata two bowls. Weka kijiko yako ndani kabisa. Kabisa. When you see it's like still light, ongeza unga, okay? Unga iko. Weka unga. Unga. Okay, there we have for stirring. I tell you, this is not easy as many people may think. Huh? I know, it's not easy. So, in a circular motion, keep on doing it. Kaka ishikane kabisa. And why circular motion? Hii inapiga makende. Makende, what do I say now? Okay, just so you'll understand, the small two balls, okay? It can mix everything. Just do it circular. Tulisema when cooking, hakuna kuchoka. When you get tired before you do it, share it with the recipe. Okay. Scuba kabisa. Okay, there we have. And I've got what I wanted, so I'm not going to add any flour. Okay, when I add more, it's gonna be kinda heavy, and I don't want it to be heavy. I want something that I can take, like not too garlic. Okay, so every time when I'm cooking porridge, the first thing that I do, I'll take something like a bowl or something like a kuchota maji. Okay, let me just take a bowl. So this is what I do. I'm a little bit far from you, but I can see you can see me. Okay, we can see each other. So chukua bowl, chota maji imechemka, sawa, weka kando. I'll show you the reason as to why nimechota hiyo maji. And then make sure that your boiling water is boiling. It is not doing it is boiling, okay? Let me, because I have reduced my heat, I'm going to add some more so it may go the way I want. So I'm going to turn on the camera on this side so you may see what we are doing. My water is boiling. My water is boiling. Okay, so guys, before you continue, just make sure umekoroga the flour again. Okay, make sure umekoroga isiende chini. Okay, keep on stirring like that, and then get your wooden mwiko. This time, this one is the one that you're going to cook with. Usichukue kijiko, mwiko wa mbwau, hiyo ndo napika nayo. And then before you put your flour, this one over here, make a circular motion in the water like this. Okay, hivi yende hivi, and then you are holding your mwiko with this hand, your right hand. Then you take your flour. Hii sasa nitaishika on my left hand. Angalieni ni jinsi ama ni gani hao watoto. So this is how to circular motion first before we pour the flour. Okay, I have made a circular motion. Staki makindi. So this is why I'm making the circular motion. Then I'm going to pour it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, don't stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, increase. Keep going. Increase the speed. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going. When you find it's like your flour is heavy, reduce the heat, and the water that umechota before, ongeza sasa. Usiongeze maji ikiwa baridi, okay? And you be careful, okay? Usiongeze maji ikiwa baridi, but before uongeze maji, make sure unga imeshikana kabisa. Hakuna MAKELELE. Alright, here we are. What am I saying? Okay, here we are. Cake is ever crazy, okay? One thing about cake is ever crazy. A stupid person, alright? So, here we are, and the porridge imeshikana. So at this point, I'm going to reduce my heat. It was at high speed. Okay, tulikuwa climax. Now we take off the climax. Tuongeze maji yetu sasa. In slow motion now. Woo! Oh my god. I love teaching this. Okay, there we go again. Tuongeze maji. Sasa, you do that just to make sure you want to get your kama unataka ikue mzito, kama unataka ikue light, kind of medium, somewhere there. Now you are using the water that ulichota nayo kitambo. Now you equalize everything as you want. Alright? So Kate is equalizing everything, okay? But to make sure that usi-equalize usahau kulikuwa na maziwa, okay? So at this point, look at this. Hakuna makindi. So at this point, I'm going to add a little bit of water, then I put my milk. Okay, speedy meisha. I don't want to think I know. Speedy meisha, okay? So porridge one funny and enjoying thing to do. That is one thing, okay? It is one thing that I learned from my grandpa, and not my grandma, my grandmother. And this is what I used to see her do. So at this point, look at my porridge. Okay, you do away with the hot water. Usiongeze maji baridi. Your hot water yenye umechota sasa ndo unaweka hapa. So I'm done with that, okay? So I take my milk and my lemon. You can add any first one or this one as you like, but mostly I like having the lemon. Okay, I hope we are doing well. Okay, you are enjoying as I am doing. Okay, there we are. Just make sure your heat is reduced. Uje ipigangwi na a lot of heat. Itaungua, ijaiva, iko na makini. It's something that you wouldn't like it. So make sure your heat iko down. Okay, just like mine is now. So I'm going to cut my lemon. So this is my lemon. I've cut it. So let's do it traditional way. Okay, so we put it, squeeze it. Okay, squeeze it. I don't know, when you squeeze it, ikiwa hivyo kwa mkono ikula vile inaleta utamu. Then you do like this. Okay, squeeze. Itoe maji kabisa. And the reason as to why I put lemon first is because after mixing the lemon, I know how I'm going to measure my milk. Okay, so I don't put a lot of milk. This is a cream milk. So there we are. Squeeze everything. Good. Okay, let me wash my hands. Now I continue mixing everything. Remember when you've already done mixing your flour with water, hiyo uji imeshikana. Hata utembee weke lemon, weke maziwa, utembee ishashikana kabisa. The problem with porridge, it is the time that you are mixing water, the warm water and the cold water that you made the flour with. So that is the biggest challenge I think to everyone. Utasikia mtu anakuambia mimi hata sijui kupika uji. It is not that they don't know. It is how they were taught. Okay? Because we have different mothers. Na wengine tumelelewa tao, wengine tumelelewa hocha, endea kuni, kuja pika, servia watu. That's how we were taught. Okay. I want to turn the camera so you may see how my porridge. So look at this porridge. And you see any MAKELELE, you tell me. Do you see anything like that? It's nothing. So this is the best way to do it, okay? This is the best way to do your porridge. Use your wooden niko, mix in a circular motion like I've told you. Then now we are going to add our milk, then sugar. So guys, at this point, I'm going to add sugar. Sugar is how what you want, okay? Dogo, mingi, medium, where you want. I won't tell you measure like this or not. Okay? Like porridge, you take a lot of sugar, like when you add lemon. It's up to you to know. You can still test it. Okay? Keep it at home. Alright, so here we are, and I'm going to let it boil in a low heat for around 10 minutes, then I'm going to take it. So that's how easy you can do the porridge. Okay, nothing hard. Okay, but si umeona pali tumefika maximum. Is it maximum? So let's do this. Let's give it time. Boy, tuweka kwa kikombe hata mimi nikunywe, so I may continue with my duty that I've left them to do this Okay, so guys, my porridge is all cooked, so I wanna put it somewhere, so I end the video. So that's it for today. Let me put some. Look at my porridge. Now ukiona makendie mahali uniambie. This is how the porridge should look like, okay? That's how it should do. It should do. It should look like, what am I saying? Uji inafaa kuwa hivyo. Okay, so guys, this I think marks the end of the video today. And so before you go, let me give you a cup. Okay, so I was telling you, and my kauti is here. So I'm gonna take this one, then I'll start my washing, because I wanted to wash my clothes before I came here, but I said, what? Let me put that aside and make a video, right? Yeah, so and we did it, and I love it. That you have loved the way we have made it. And so guys, I'll see you on the next video. But do you wanna test? This is so yummy, but naiogopa ni moto. Inaweza kuchoma ulimi ama mdomo. So